These are the Eufy E22 Permanent Outdoor Lights, and straight out of the box you see the quality of these lights. I've tried several different permanent outdoor light solutions, and Eufy has really upped the game when it comes to quality and longevity. Straight out of the box, very well organized, very straightforward in installing. And I love the new little eyelet there if you want to screw them permanently into your eaves. I won't be doing that because I'm going to be doing them on gutters, so the 3M backing works great. There's lots of different options, and wow, those are bright. It's 3 LEDs with 90 lumens. These are brighter than most. So first thing we want to do is make sure you clean off the surface where you're going to put that on. You can see the remnants of previous outdoor lights that I've had on there, and unfortunately those didn't even last a single year. And so it is very important to make sure you pick a quality permanent outdoor light so they actually are permanent. In fact, these are UV resistant. They have color adjustments from 1500 Kelvin all the way up to 1900 Kelvin, and they're easily installed with the included 3M double-sided tape, or you can use screws with that little built-in eyelet, which I just think is genius. I'm going to do that at another spot. I even put them around the Ramada that is over the top of our hot tub. Now, notice it is Halloween, and I did put these up for a big Halloween party, which was a lot of fun, and it was awesome to have the Eufy permanent outdoor lights, and I did combine them with other Eufy lights in their ecosystem, so that was really cool to be able to pair them all together, including the E10 outdoor string lights and the outdoor pathway lights, which are the outdoor pathway lights E10, the 4-pack, and a 2-pack of their outdoor spotlights. I also use an indoor floor lamp E10 on the inside, which I will also show you here. But this is how they look fully installed. This is just with a nice cool white light, which I love because it creates a lot of downlight on our patio. And there we go. We're starting a Halloween party here. I'm getting it all put together here. And these were a huge hit at the party because they created such a vibe. But as you can see during the day, they're nice and brightly lit. This is our stairway, which I combined with a cool cemetery scene, and being able to combine and synchronize all of the Eufy colors was really key here because I've got them all over the place. There you can see the string lights, the E10 string lights there, and it's just perfect for creating an atmosphere. And we're heading into Christmas, so now is the time to get them. There are links in the description of my video here where you can get the best price on the Eufy outdoor lights. These are their smart lighting products that they have here, and I just love how well they blended in with my decorations. Also, right now, Eufy is offering $100 off for their Black Friday sale. So be sure to check that link in the description because you're gonna get the best price if you purchase it now, and you've gotta gear up for those Christmas season, which actually is right now. Put your lights up. So get the permanent lights, the E22, which I've got installed right up here, and get yourself some and never have to worry about putting up Christmas lights again. They also serve as great lights year round. There's so much customization in the app. It gives you a little visualization of how it's going to look when you're changing the lights. They have tons of scenes, especially for holidays. So again, super easy for me just to pick one of the Halloween settings and I was up and running, but you can dial it in specifically, go in bulb by bulb or LED by LED and pick which color you want on which LED and really dial it in for the most custom permanent light, and then even save those as presets so you can easily access them later. So I love the vibe that is giving on my patio here, and inside with all of my decorations, I was able to give a whole Halloween atmosphere and really create that feeling for the party. And in fact, I did hire a DJ, bartender, went all out on this Halloween party, had a great time, and the Eufy lights, including this is the indoor floor lamp E10 that really shined on the inside with all of the amazing decorations that my wife put up for our big Halloween party. There you can see it. I just put it behind the decorations and illuminated the wall really nicely. So go get you some Eufy outdoor lights. Again, link in the description of this video.